Today, we re-dive in deep into the dirt to uncover some truly mind-blowing facts about a creature we all think we know, the humble earthworm. Get ready, because these wiggly wonders are way more incredible than you ever imagined. Let's start with a big one. Did you know earthworms are basically nature's tiny superheroes? They don't have lungs. Instead, they breathe through their skin. Their skin needs to stay moist for oxygen to pass through, which is why you see them scrambling for cover when the sun comes out. If they dry out, they can't breathe. So next time it rains and you see them on the sidewalk, they're not drowning. They're just enjoying the moisture and exploring new territory. Speaking of their bodies, earthworms have not one, not two, but 5 hearts. Well, sort of. They have 5 pairs of aortic arches that pump blood throughout their bodies. These simple hearts work together to keep everything moving. It's a surprisingly complex system for such a seemingly simple creature. Imagine having 5 hearts to pump you up for the day. Now, for something that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, regeneration. If an earthworm gets cut in half, can it grow into 2 new worms? The answer is ... sometimes. It depends on where it's cut. The head end, which contains its brain and vital organs, can often regenerate a new tail. However, the tail end usually can't grow a new head. So it's not quite 2 for the price of 1, but it's still an incredible survival mechanism. Here's another cool fact. Earthworms are hermaphrodites. That means each worm has both male and female reproductive organs. But they still need a partner to mate. 2 worms line up next to each other, exchange sperm, and then go their separate ways to lay cocoons filled with fertilized eggs. It's a very efficient system for ensuring the next generation of soil engineers, and engineers is the perfect word for them. These little guys are ecosystem powerhouses. As they burrow, they create channels in the soil that allow air and water to reach plant roots, and their poop, called castings, is one of the most nutrient-rich natural fertilizers on the planet. Charles Darwin himself spent nearly 40 years studying them and called them the most important creatures on Earth. He estimated that in some areas, earthworms process more than 10 tons of soil per acre every single year. Think about that for a second. Without earthworms, our soil would be less fertile, more compacted, and our entire ecosystem would suffer. They are constantly working beneath our feet, aerating the soil, breaking down organic matter, and making nutrients available for plants. They are the silent, unseen heroes of our gardens, farms, and forests. Did you know there are over 6,000 different species of earthworms around the world? They range from tiny little guys just a few millimeters long to the giant Gippsland earthworm in Australia, which can grow up to 9 feet long. Can you even imagine stumbling upon a 9-foot worm that's longer than a king-size bed? So, the next time you're out in the garden and you see an earthworm, maybe give it a little nod of respect. These creatures are doing so much for our planet, turning waste into life and keeping our soil healthy. They're more than just fish bait. They are the foundation of a healthy ecosystem. I hope you found these facts as fascinating as I do. It just goes to show that there is a whole world of wonder right under our feet if we just take a moment to look. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of earthworms, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.